Welcome to the Agyanadda.com where we can learn a small tricks in HTML. Okay, yeah. So we will learn HTML tips. So what we learn here? The first one is color picker. So it is used to select any types of color as per your requirement, as per your choice. The next one is date picker. You can also select any types of date as per your requirement. The next one is audio player. So you can play any types of audio which is supported by HTML. The next one is video player. How we can use it? It is used to play any types of video which is supported by HTML. So we will learn step by step. So let's start. The first one is color picker. So it is used to create color picker in HTML web pages. So how we can implement it? So there I have written example. So you can see there input type color. Then it will work. Okay. So I will write any example in later. So first I will discuss all the topic. Okay. The next one is date picker. So it is used to select date from date picker in HTML. We can also select any types of date from that picker. Okay. So how we can implement it? We can simply write input type date. Then you can easily select any types of date picker, right? The next one is audio player. It is used to play audio music and it is supported by MP3, WAV and OGG. So many browsers supported some format or many browsers does not supported some format. So how we can implement it? Only we have to write here audio tag and there is some attribute, control and autoplay. Okay. So yeah, and we have to write here source where we can put the path. It means where you have file name like abcd mp3 what you have, you can just paste it here. Okay, and write here type which is equal to audio mpeg. Then it will work. I will show you the example later. The next one is video. So video player, as same it is used to play any types of video which is supported by HTML, and it supported only MP3, WAV and OGG. As same it is in browsers, some supported format. Okay, so you have to check as like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. These are all the things. Yeah, Mozilla Firefox. These are all the things. So how we can implement it video player? Only we have to write here video, and we can also set the height and width. Okay, then we can also write here controls attribute. Then you can paste here the path in src, right? Then it will work. I will show you the example. Okay, so let's start. So we will see all the example here, right? So I have Sublime editor. If you have Notepad, then you can play with Notepad. I have Sublime, so I am going to write code. So before writing code, you must have to know we have to save this page into HTML, right? So first of all, save this page. I am going to save this page in desktop, right? So you can just write any types of name. I have written here index. Okay, dot html. HTML is the most important thing you have to write. If you don't write HTML now, then it will not work. Okay, so I just write here and save it. Okay, so write here HTML. When you type HT, then you can just enter. So what it create? It create default format. As you know, we have to write all the code in body section. Okay, so I'm going to see the example. Write the example input type what color. First one is color. Okay, so just write label, select SELE, select color. Okay, so you can save here and right click, just click open in browser. Okay, so you can see here, this is the icon. Just click that icon. As you know, we can select any types of color from here. Okay, right. So then lots of format. Right now you are seeing RGB, right? You can also change hexadecimal. Just copy this code and you can just implement it in your HTML code, right? So the next one is HSL. These are the formats of color, right? So this is the first example. I just comment it so that you can run later. The next one is yeah, input type. I have to use now date picker, right? So input type date, date, and you can write here select date, dob date, dob date. Just right click, first of all, if any changes, just save it, now run in browser. Okay, you can see it is created date picker format like dd, that means the date, month, and year. Just click that icon. You can select current date, whatever sorry, current date or anything of date. You can also click this one, and you can also select the year. Okay, yeah. So this is second example of date picker. The next one is audio. So before doing audio, you must have two file. Okay, so I have created a folder where I have put some, one is mp3 player, the next one is mp4 player, right? So yeah, right now I'm going to use what audio player. So you have to only write here audio, audio. Okay, audio tag. Now where we can put the path, so you just write here source. Okay, and you have to put the file name here. So what is the just open your folder, okay, and right click here and go to the properties section and details, general details, not this one. So I have a folder media and flute.mp3 blah blah blah, whatever. Just copy it, just copy it. Okay, so just open it and paste it. So you can see here, this is this is media folder, and inside the folder mp flute.mp3 file name. Okay, so I have written here, I have written here, and you just change the forward slash, just save it. Okay, now yeah, you can also write some attribute of audio like control. Okay, now I'm going to run this you know in browser section. So you can see here it is automatically created like mp3 player like this. When you click play button, then it will click automatically play. Okay, so you can just pause it here, and you can also play as per your choice. You can play any types of song when you created any web pages or anything, right? So yeah, so the next example is what, the next example is audio. Okay, so I'm not going to comment because if I comment now, then you will not learn. So right here I'm going to write hr tag, that means the horizontal line. Okay, so I'm going to uncomment this one so that you can easily see all the example here, right? This one I have also write here br is used to break the line, right? So I have used this one and just copy it and paste it. Okay, so the next one is a video. Okay, as same it is, you have to write here what video. So just write here video, video, right? So the next one is you have to write the source. What? Source. So just write here source. As you know, we have some video file in media player. Okay, so go to the media player, that means this one, and just go to the right click here and go to the property section. You can see here this one, so I can just copy it from here and paste it here. Okay, so just paste it. We have to change the path here, right? Yeah, so what we have to do here, we have to run this application in browser. Okay, one more thing I'm going to tell you, when you use video player now, then we have to also use some attribute here, right? As same it is audio player. Okay, so you just write here some attribute, that means how, in which section you want to see video. Like we have to set the width as well as height, so just write here 500. Okay, 500, and height is 400 or 300, what you have written here. Okay, as per your requirement. So I have set it all the things, and I'm going to run this app, this section. So just save it, just save it, and you have to also write control. What? Control, just save it. Okay, and run. See what happened. It is not working, right? I think just click here. It is not working because I don't know. I have to check this video, yes, and just wait. Where I have mistake. We are checking here where I have mistake. Media demo video and put MP4, and you have to also write here video and MP4, but you have the format, right? So I forgetted to add this one. It is not mandatory, but you should add here, right? AUDIO. Yeah. So let's see once again, because this is this is your file name. You means video of file name. I just show you here. You can see here, right? Just go to the and see the right click and go to the property. So you can see here demo video dot, this one, inside the media folder, right? So I have added here. So let's see once again it is working or not. You can see here now it's working, right? It's working fine. So what I have to do is just pause it. Play and pause, that means what I have written the control now. Control attribute provides to play and pause functionality, right? Yeah. Thank you so much for watching.